Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the AirEase Inhaler. So as you can see, if you don't know what AirEase is, it is basically a product that helps you breathe better. So as you can see, this is the dilator, and it will help you open up your nose and makes your nostrils bigger so that you have enhanced oxygen intake, chemical-free comfort, ideal for athletes, and reduces snoring effectively. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. And they claim a lot of things, so they have reasons why you should trust us and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or it's worth the money, let's go over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews. And as you can see, they're rated 2.0 out of 5 stars, which is poor for 11 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. So this company is a complete scam. What AirEase says are complete lies. AirEase official, what a pile of blah blah blah, lies, lies, lies again. I haven't purchased anything off and I have no intention of doing so. Suspected scam, always a new scam. And so far, there are no good reviews about this product that I could search for. So yeah, please stay away from this product or this company in general, since they seem to be a scam and their website seems to be a bit shady since they didn't put much effort in creating their website. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.